Use a trim removal tool to remove the driver's side dash trim panel. Next, use a long right angle pick to slide the red secondary lock on the connector towards the passenger side. This lock only moves about 1/8 of an inch before it stops. Once unlocked, depress the primary lock and rotate the green lever around to detach the connector. Here's a better view of what that process looks like. If you're having trouble with this step, use your fingers to guide and position the pick throughout the process. Once the harness is detached, connect it to the Autostop Eliminator. Then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the switch. Use the included zip tie to secure the electronics housing as shown. Fully tighten the zip tie and trim the excess. Replace the trim panel. Now that the device is installed, the setting for auto start stop will be remembered and automatically restored.